Welcome everyone. For today, we're gonna make a salted egg or itlog na maalat. Of course, we need eggs, salt, pepper, container, bay leaves, ginger powder, and star anise. Okay? Then we can start boiling the water. Then we put on the salt. Put some black pepper. You can also put some lemon pepper on it. Put some star anise. Put some bay leaf or bay leaves powder. Put the ginger powder on it as well. Then try to mix it, okay? This is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. You can also put some ground cinnamon powder. Boiled up, please let it cool down for a few minutes. For the eggs, try to wash it first so that it is very clean. Then put them in the container. You can also put some date marker if you are doing many salted egg so that you'll be able to know when is the time that you first put it. Once it is already cooled down, you can put the water on the container, the salted water, okay? Seal it up and put it on a safe place or room temperature area. After 3 weeks, you can take it out. Open up the container and take away the liquid on it. Take out the eggs and wash it thoroughly. Then boil the eggs. Once it is boiled up, let it cool down for a few minutes. And your tasty salted egg is ready to go. Alright?
Wow! Congratulations!
Thank you for watching. Bye!